co-founder of the Thecurltalk project, and you are now at the first photography exhibition of the initiative. This is an initiative that basically promotes and celebrates curly hair. So I interviewed and photographed as many curly-haired women as I could and tried to understand the link between natural hair and the notions of identity, femininity, race, diversity, and representation. So the exhibition is open until Monday, the 9th of March, so it's open every day from 11 to 6, and it's at Hoxton 253 Art Project Space in Hoxton. All the women that I have involved in the Thecurltalk project are generally women that I found via social media in general. People are generally quite receptive. This picture is probably one of my favorite ones. The girl on here is called OHLALA. She's French, and I found her on a French Facebook group for people who live in London, French people who live in London. And she had a very, very interesting story, a very interesting relationship between basically her hair and her own mother as well, who was a bit critical of the fact that she wanted to cut her hair and have her hair natural. So this was a very inspiring story as well to add in.
So hey, it is the end of my vlog, so I hope you like it. So what I will do tomorrow, I will go to Colombia Flower Market and I will show you all the flowers. I don't know if you know that, but tomorrow will be the Women's Day, so that will be so great to buy some flowers for myself and for the people I love. Bye bye!